Hi, welcome to Lingolab 3.0. My name is Mike. In this video, we explain the differences among acronyms, abbreviations, and initialism. Let's go for it. An acronym is a series of initial letters, usually from a phrase, that create a new word that can be pronounced. Example: coronavirus 19, COVID-19. Subscriber identity module, SIM. Other examples of acronyms are UNESCO, FIFA. The example CCRL, it's not an acronym because it cannot be pronounced. Okay, let's continue. An abbreviation is a shorter form of a word or phrase that we use to represent the word itself. Some examples of abbreviations are Doctor, Professor, Mr., which are Doctor, Professor, Mr. Remember, the abbreviation needs to be pronounced entirely. Let's see initialisms. Initialisms are a series of letters of a word or phrase, but that cannot be pronounced as a word. In this case, we have VIP for very important person, or NBA for National Basketball Association. Also, we have USA for United States of America. So practically here we just spell the word. Well, this is the end. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative, and remember, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our lessons. Bye!